I recently had a question here on the Picture Book Creators channel specifically asking about the Amazon barcodes on your picture books. So the question is, can I use an Amazon barcode across multiple sales websites? I'm going to answer that question for you. First, I want to say that when you're setting up through KDP, Kindle Direct Publishing, you're uploading your picture book and getting it ready for sale through Amazon, you're going to be able to enter your ISBN. Check out all my ISBN videos here on the channel. You're going to enter your ISBN and there's going to be a box that you can click if you already have your own barcode. If you don't have your own barcode, Amazon provides you a barcode to go with your ISBN. And so this question is specifically relating to that Amazon generated barcode. Can I use an Amazon barcode across multiple sales websites? Amazon's barcodes are for Amazon use. If you're looking to do wide distribution, it's best to have your own barcode. Once you've obtained your own ISBN, you can generate a barcode to go with it. Some ISBN agencies provide barcode generators as part of their service, or you can do a quick Google search for a barcode generator. There's a lot of free ones out there. Make sure to do your research, but there's some free options, and it's not that hard to generate a barcode that you can then have it applied to the cover of your book, and your ISBN and your barcode will then be yours and can be used over multiple sales websites. Let's take a minute and clarify this again. If you provide your own ISBN, but let Amazon generate the barcode, the ISBN can be used anywhere, but the barcode is Amazon specific. Why? Amazon formats barcodes for their system, which may not work for other retailers. Some require a different format or pricing info, which Amazon's barcode often lacks. So why your own ISBN? An ISBN is your book's unique identifier. Owning it means you, not Amazon, control its distribution. This allows you to sell it anywhere and list yourself as the publisher. A barcode is just a scannable image linked to your ISBN, but different retailers may require different barcode formats. I personally don't distribute or sell into any other retailer, and so I am perfectly happy using Amazon's generated barcode that is exclusive for Amazon. So the way I personally, go about this process is I obtain my own ISBN through the Library of Canada because I'm Canadian. You can check out this video. I obtain my ISBN. I enter that ISBN through my KDP process, like through the upload of the book and the process of setting it up. And then I make sure that I indicate that I'd like to use one of Amazon's generated barcodes. And that is sufficient for what I am doing as a picture book creator. But if you're going to widely distribute into other retailers, you're going to want to look at getting your own barcode. This is how I personally understand this to work with KDP, Amazon, and their barcodes. But it is important that you do your own research and choose the option that's best for you and your distribution and the future of your picture books. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any other suggestions that might help the community, feel free to drop a comment below. Hit the bell, like, subscribe, share it with a friend. It all helps the channel to grow, and it helps us to get these videos made to support picture book creators. Until next time, happy creating.